Meaning of Heathcliff.
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 Heathcliff. Heathcliff is a name that originates from the English language. It is commonly associated with the male protagonist of Emily Bronte's classic novel, Wuthering Heights. Heathcliff is a complex and mysterious character who embodies passion, obsession, and revenge. The name itself could be interpreted to mean either heathen cliff or overtaken by heath. It is also sometimes used as a surname. Overall, Heathcliff represents a dark, brooding, and enigmatic figure who has had a lasting impact on literary and cultural history.